Hey, welcome back to another video of Earning Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a payment method on your Upwork account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and at the address bar, type in upwork.com. Now, at the top right corner of your screen under your profile icon, click on it, then click on Account Settings option. Now, click on Billing and Payments. After that, click on Add a Billing Method. If you want to add a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover Diners, simply click on this box. If you want to add a PayPal as a payment method, you can click on this box here. Then you can click on this button and you need to log in with your credentials here. Now, type in information like credit card number here and your first name, last name, your credit card expiration month, expiration year, security code, and all of these here, and click on save. Then you can add a payment method on your Upwork account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.